Something unusual is happening in the modern world. Surrounded by abundance, many are no longer asking for more. They are searching for relief, not from poverty, but from excess. And quietly, almost unnoticed, a small group has discovered that when enough is finally reached, desire softens, time slows, and life begins to feel complete again. For the first time in history, the human problem is no longer survival. It is saturation. Choices multiply. Possessions expand. Information never rests. And yet, clarity grows rare. In response, a quiet counter-movement has emerged, not as rebellion, but as correction. Extreme minimalism is not an escape from the modern world. It is a precise response to it. Paired with intentional living, it asks a different question altogether. Not how much can be owned, but how little is required for life to feel whole. Because when every possession, every commitment, every desire is chosen with care, less no longer feels like sacrifice. It begins to feel like alignment. Modern life rarely announces its failures. It whispers them, not in moments of dramatic loss, but in the soft erosion of clarity. Every day, we are surrounded by an ever-growing sea of choice. Not just objects, but obligations, ideas, distractions. Each appears small, manageable, even necessary. And yet, over time, they accumulate. A chair here, a subscription there, a conversation that lingers longer than it should. All of them adding weight that cannot be measured in any scale. The human mind, as it evolved, thrived on boundaries, rhythm, predictability. It was built to recognize patterns, to conserve energy for the essential, to focus attention where it mattered. But today, attention is fragmented. Decisions are endless. The mind's natural order is disrupted. We are told abundance equals freedom. And yet, freedom becomes harder to grasp the more we possess. A house full of objects can feel smaller than a room half empty. A schedule filled with meetings can feel heavier than days of solitude. There is a peculiar sensation that emerges under this weight. It is not anxiety, exactly, nor sadness. It is a low hum of dissatisfaction, almost imperceptible, but persistent. It sits beneath accomplishments, beneath comfort, beneath the appearance of success. Many feel this quietly. They sense life is incomplete, even when everything seems complete. It is the paradox of modern abundance. The more there is to choose, the less one feels in control. And here lies the challenge that few confront. Not that we lack, but that we are overwhelmed by surplus. Not that we fail, but that we never learn where to stop. Extreme minimalism, then, is not merely a lifestyle. It is a response to the subtle tyranny of excess. It is a methodical removal of distraction, a reclaiming of presence, a deliberate narrowing of life to what truly matters. Intentional living joins this endeavor. It asks us not to chase more, but to choose well. To measure each possession, each commitment, each moment against what brings depth, clarity, and alignment. Because without this clarity, every addition, no matter how small, dulls life further. And yet, by pausing, observing, and choosing boundaries, we find the space in which life begins to breathe again. This is the hidden burden of modern existence, abundance without limits. And this is the tension that extreme minimalists navigate with quiet precision. To live with less is not merely to shed objects. It is to craft a life that resonates with intention. Every choice, every possession, every moment becomes part of a subtle architecture, an invisible framework that holds the weight of our attention. Extreme minimalists understand that clarity cannot be purchased, acquired, or forced. It is cultivated, slowly, deliberately, almost imperceptibly. They observe the currents of their own desires, the invisible pull of habit, and the quiet erosion of time by what is unnecessary. And then, one by one, they remove the excess. Not in a dramatic purge, not in rebellion against society, but with precision, as a sculptor removes marble to reveal the form within. Each item or obligation left behind is a deliberate choice. Each commitment honored is measured against meaning. This is the discipline that transforms chaos into resonance. The The result is subtle, almost paradoxical. With less, life begins to expand. Spaces are no longer empty, they are vessels. Time no longer slips away, it becomes intentional. Energy once scattered across distractions is now concentrated, available for what truly matters. Financial freedom emerges quietly. The need for accumulation fades, replaced by a deep sense of sufficiency. Mental clarity rises, not from meditation alone, but from the deliberate act of subtraction, of pruning, of choosing what to keep. And yet, extreme minimalism is not deprivation. It is refinement. It is a dance with restraint, a conversation with presence, a continuous questioning of what is essential. Intentional living complements this architecture. It transforms the act of choosing into an art form, where every day is measured not by quantity, but by quality, of moments, of focus, of attention. In such a life, even the simplest meal, the quietest hour, the softest object, carries significance. The world, once overwhelming, now feels navigable. The mind, once scattered, now finds its rhythm. The self, once burdened, now feels aligned. This is the power hidden within restraint. The richness that comes not from abundance, but from clarity. The extraordinary experience of life, lived deliberately, with nothing extraneous to distract, dilute, or distort it. And in this architecture of enough, one discovers that less is never emptiness. It is, in fact, the foundation of everything that truly matters. There comes a moment, rare, subtle, almost imperceptible, when the accumulation of restraint reveals its true power. It is not a moment announced with fanfare, nor celebrated with trophies. It arrives quietly, like sunlight breaking through mist. A room once cluttered with objects, a calendar once overflowing with commitments, a mind once scattered by endless choices, suddenly feels different. Time stretches. Space deepens. Attention, once fragmented, settles into its natural rhythm. In that moment, the extreme minimalist does not feel deprived. There is no longing for what was left behind. Instead, a profound alignment emerges, a sense that everything unnecessary has been removed, and only what truly matters remains. It is here, in this delicate pause, that freedom is realized. Not as a concept, but as an experience. Not as accumulation, but as presence. Life, once hurried and noisy, begins to breathe again. Consider the clarity that arises when every choice is deliberate. A single cup of tea, prepared with care, becomes an event. A quiet walk through an empty street transforms into meditation. A conversation, uninterrupted by distraction, reveals depth previously unnoticed. Extreme minimalism is revealed not in the absence of things, but in the fullness of attention. Intentional living turns every moment into a vessel for presence. It is here that one realizes, less is not less at all. It is a lens, a framework, a language through which the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Through the discipline of subtraction, the richness of life is revealed in clarity, simplicity, and alignment. And for the first time, perhaps, the individual understands a quiet truth. Life, when paired to its essentials, is not empty. It is alive, deliberate, and infinitely more vivid than before. Extreme minimalism, paired with intentional living, is not a prescription for deprivation. It is a framework for clarity, a practice of focus, a method of aligning life with what truly matters. Through careful selection, measured attention, and deliberate restraint, the noise of the world is quieted. The mind, once fragmented, finds its rhythm. The heart, once restless, discovers its pace. And the life that once felt heavy begins to flow with ease. In this alignment, less is no longer a limitation. It is the space in which sufficiency, purpose, and presence emerge. It is here that the modern individual discovers a truth as old as time itself. What we truly need has always been within reach, waiting to be recognized, embraced, and lived. Have you noticed moments where less felt like enough? Share your experiences below and explore more insights into intentional living in our next video. Join the quiet journey, where clarity begins and life breathes again.